How to add contact forms to your WordPress site. You start by logging into your WordPress dashboard as usual. Then you'll need to install a new plugin as per our previous tutorial, how to install WordPress plugins. Now, in this case, we're choosing Contact Form 7. When it's installed, scroll down the menu on the left and you'll see a new item, Contact, has been added. Select Contact Forms. You'll see Contact Form 1. That's the default template included in Contact Form 7. Yes, it's confusing, don't worry about it. To personalise this and create your own contact form, click on it. Then go to Add New. Give your new form a name. You'll notice that your new form is pre-filled with basic fields: name, email, subject and message. Now, the buttons along the top add form tags for new fields such as URL, telephone, menus, buttons, and so on. Let's say you want to add a field for telephone. Click on the button. We're going to make this a required field. You don't have to. Then give it a name. The options available to you when you add a new tag like this are required field, where the user needs to give information to send the message. Default value will pre-fill the field. The checkbox underneath will make it placeholder text instead. ID and class attribute allow the user to style the field using CSS, but we don't need to concern ourselves with that here. That's all we're doing, so we click Insert Tag. Your new field has been inserted. Then you can just copy the HTML from the other form tags, just change the text to an appropriate label. Then click Save. Now, how to set up mail notifications for your new contact form. Go to the Mail tab. This is the template for the email you will receive when a contact form is sent. Check the To field. This should be the email where you want to receive your contact form messages. Then scroll down to the message body and add the extra form tags you just added to the contact form. This ensures you receive all the information you want. Click Save again. You might notice the other tabs at the top of the page are Messages, which allows you to customize the success or fail to send messages that users might see when using your contact form, and Additional Settings, which allows customization using CSS to style the contact form, and again, we're not digging into that today. Now, to actually add your new contact form to your website page, navigate back to Contact and to the Contact Forms page. Go down to your new form, in our case it's Contact Form 2, highlight the shortcode and copy it. Then you navigate to the page you want to add it into. So we're going to Pages on the menu, and for our purposes we'll use this sample page. Click Edit. Then paste the shortcode into the text area where you want the contact form to appear. Go up to the top and click Update. Now we're going to Preview, and there we can check what we've done. The fields are active, so publish it and your job's done. Your website has a contact form your customers can use. Now, to protect yourself against spam and nuisance bots, you may want to add Recapture to your contact form. First, you need to register your site with Recapture and claim your API key. Recapture is owned by Google, so you need to log on to your Google account. If you don't already have a Google account, simply visit google.com, click Sign In, then Create New. Fill out the appropriate fields, then once your account is active, go to google.com/recapture/admin/create, or simply search for Recapture and click Admin Console. In the label field, you type your site name, then select which version of Recapture you want to use. We're using version 3, as that works best with Contact Form 7. Enter the domain of your site in the Domains field. accept the T's and C's. Yes, you want it to send your alerts. Then you submit. Now you've been registered, you can add Recapture to your site. Switch back to your WordPress dashboard, go back into Contact, then down to Integration. You'll see there's a Recapture panel there waiting for you. Go into Setup Integration, nip back to Recapture and copy your unique site key, then paste first that, then your secret key, and save changes. Now you see Recapture is active on your site. You have a contact form and you've secured it.